Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this video, we're gonna look at how to save a job in Upwork. Now let's begin. As you can see, this right here is the interface of Upwork once you have logged in. And right now, we're only gonna focus on how to save a job. Right here, as you can see, there are lots of best matches, jobs provided. In case you want to search for jobs, you can type for jobs right here in the search for jobs button. But right now, I'm simply gonna select this job right here. And as you can see, something like this opened up right from the side. As you can see, there are many things available here, and right now we only want to save a job. On the rightmost section, you will see a button like this that says Save Job. In case you do want to apply for them, what you need to do is buy connects to apply. But right now, let's simply try to save the job. I'm gonna click on this button right here. Then that's it guys. You have saved this job right here. In case you want to view the jobs that you have saved, right here, next to most recent, you will see a button like this that says Save Jobs. And this is it. That's how you view the jobs you have saved. That's it guys, that's the gist of the video. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.